Hey folks, welcome to Money Me. I do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. As you can see by the thumbnail, I'm going to talk about a stock today that's over 50% since I recommended it in February. And in this environment, to have a stock up over 50%, do I still own it? No, sadly. I got in it at 42 and sold out at 53. And today the stock is $66.26. It kind of makes sense with today's environment where that the stock is up, but it also don't make sense that it's up because of all the stocks that are getting beat up and stuff like that. But clearly, lately Wall Street has liked this stock, so let's get in. We're gonna flip the screen around. We're gonna put up our Webull desktop app, and we're gonna pull up the stock that we're talking about. So let's take a look at it. Okay, there we are, folks. The stock is Ollie's. I recommended it back in February on my channel. We did buy some. Like I said, we got in at around $42. And you can go back and look at my videos, $42. Now, some people say, oh, you're just talking about your winners. No, not really. If you go back and look, and I talk about my losers, and trust me, I've had several of them. And of course, the trolls and the haters online are always quick to point that out, what a dumbass I am. So that's always amusing and stuff like that. But hey, I try to keep it real. I am not a licensed broker. I do just basically, I created this channel, Money Me, to basically talk about all things money and really share my experience in trading and anything that's money related. And as you can see, I made a video the other day talking about Subway, that I was a franchisee and how much you could make and stuff. And I do appreciate the support. I've gotten some views on that, but it did dip. Here it is. It was down to 37.67 March 18th, and it went up to 53 and dipped back below. It was back down to 39, but since then, the last couple weeks, let's look at even a daily chart. Yeah, I mean, even today was a big 8% move. And green candle here broke off that down, but really it has been nothing. When it broke out, like even here at 46.89, it's been nothing but straight up. Of course, I wish I still held it, but that's what it is. And this environment, when you're seeing stocks getting pummeled, it's very hard to sit and watch profits, and that's more let's be clear, that's more investing, sometimes getting into stocks, and but sometimes you're looking for trading opportunities and not to be too greedy, because pretty much from 42 to 53 was about a 23% move, and I was happy with that, and I got out. So let's see if there's any news today. Basically, analysts just turned bullish. That was 628. I don't know. I worry that now it's just getting a little bit too high. Because it was funny, because not too long ago, someone said, an analyst can, don't buy it, or the target was like 50. And so what do they know? But they basically, and they fall in the category like Dollar General, Dollar Tree. So they get a lot of discounts. So people are still going to shop, but yeah. And so I had based on Investors Business Daily, the buy point for the cup that they talk about in the technical trading was 55.32. Shares are up more than 18 and are nearing what I just said, nearing a profit-taking zone. So I don't feel comfortable getting into it right now, just because of the way the market is and what's going on. But I do like Ollie's as a business, but they are going to be doing, from what I understand, revamping, remodeling their stores, and doing some different things. But clearly, I just want to point out, got to point out some winners once in a while. It's clearly been a winner, it is up about 54% since I recommended it. So you know, even once in a while, a dumbass can find a good stock. Sometimes, I mean, there's a stock out, and I'll do another video on it. There's stocks out there that, you know, and that's happened to me on another stock, that it was up 50% and it gave it all back. So, you know, what do you do? So, yeah, I mean, here you got on June 9th, guy lowers the price from 55 to 49. So, what are your thoughts? If you guys want to comment below, and if you want to support me and the channel, it doesn't cost you nothing, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button. I am doing more content, and I do appreciate everybody's support that has been supporting me. Growing a channel is not easy. As you can see, the high back here, 72, 50, 72.27 was November the 3rd. So that, yeah, like that's the 52 week. So we'll see. I do expect it to. Yeah, it's just really, you know, of course it could go up more. You know, every time when you don't think they are, there's a lot of green going on here, so there's been a lot of buying. So, but I like ollies, and but I wouldn't put any new money in yet. You know, because even if it goes from 66, if it goes up to 72, 74, you're not talking a real big percentage term wise. There's definitely opportunities out there that are coming up, and I think there's going to be. It's a tricky market now, and with, I mean, you got gas below today. I think I heard on CNBC. I was out on the road today traveling, but when I was looking at my cell phone, and I think it dropped below $100 a barrel. So, you know, people say, well, maybe then gas has peaked for the summer, and it probably has. It probably has peaked because simply people just can't afford it, and it's definitely affecting. And I always, where's the shortage? There's no shortage. Shortage to me would be like they start rationing and saying, hey, you can only get like 10 gallons a week. You can buy all you want. So, all right, guys, I'll see you again. Bye.